Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jhosfine here. In today's video we are going to be doing a very simple, easy fall makeup look. This was so easy to do, very sultry on the eyes, the lips is matching with the eye, the skin is skinning, the makeup is makeuping. So if you're interested in this tutorial, kindly keep on watching. But before we move into the actual tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, join the family. We'd love to have you here, and also like this video already because I know you're going to like it. I know you're going to like it. You will wish to thumbs up like 3 times, so like it. Okay guys, without wasting much of your time, let's move into the tutorial. So this is the final look guys, and I'm loving every bit of it. I love how the eyes turned out. I usually don't go in for all matte looks because my eyes are very watery. They turn out to ruin everything, but today my eyes came through for me and I love how it's looking already. The lashes are so soft, lips perfect, skin is skinning. I love the entire look. If you did as well, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe already, my friends. Join the family. We'd love to have you here. We are that open. We take everybody. If you subscribe, it's not going to take any money out of your bank account. Help this channel grow because we need to grow. Okay, leave your comments below, your video requests, your suggestions, and all of that. I'll be so glad to do all of them for you. Hope you enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.